Working Nomads Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Working Nomads platform. Links to explore the platform further are included in the description, so feel free to check them out. Let's break down the features, who it's designed for, and why it might be the right choice for freelancers. Working Nomads is a remote job board tailored for digital professionals seeking flexible opportunities across various industries. It's ideal for freelancers, remote workers, and digital nomads who prioritize location independence and want to collaborate with global companies. The platform aggregates a wide range of remote job postings, including full-time, part-time, and freelance opportunities, making it a versatile option for professionals with different work preferences. The platform is well organized and easy to navigate. Job categories include development, marketing, design, customer support, management, and more. This categorization ensures that users can quickly find roles relevant to their expertise. One of the standout features of Working Nomads is the frequent updates to job listings, ensuring that opportunities are fresh and relevant. Users can also subscribe to a tailored email list, receiving hand-picked job opportunities directly in their inbox based on their preferences. Another significant advantage of Working Nomads is its global reach. The platform connects freelancers with companies from around the world, providing access to diverse opportunities that wouldn't typically be available on local job boards. This makes it especially attractive for professionals looking to expand their client base or work in cross-cultural environments. While Working Nomads doesn't handle client freelancer transactions or contracts directly, it serves as an excellent discovery tool for freelancers ready to connect with remote-friendly employers. To make the most of the platform, freelancers should ensure their resumes and portfolios are up to date and tailored to the types of roles they're targeting. If you're a freelancer or remote professional looking for reliable and diverse remote job opportunities, Working Nomads is worth exploring. Check the links in the description to get started and take advantage of its simplicity and global focus. Happy freelancing!